Okay, so guys, what do you want to do today?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should.
Oh no! What the?
What
do
is
we have
that?
hiccups?
Oh no! What do we have?
Hiccups.
Oh no! One time we got the hiccups.
Don't tell me. Not hiccups again. We made it last time.
Yeah, Daddy.
Daddy.
Oh, Daddy. Oh yeah, let me get him.
Wait, Walkie, you need to come.
Wait, where's the Mario?
Mario?
Yeah.
So
Oh yeah, he's right there.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Daddy.
Get it.
I can't get it. Daddy. Daddy, we have hiccups again.
Oh no! What?
Oh no, what do we do? Oh my god, what should we do?
Forget.
I have them again.
Yeah.
Oh no, let's get a book. Where's the book? Wait, let me get it.
Get it. And then. Oh yeah. Do it. Hey guys, I found it over there. Where's this?
We found it. What should we do with it?
We need to find out how to do it. Okay, let's
Yeah.
see. Okay.
It says
It says you need to
we need to do 1,000 backflips.
already.
Oh no. Okay.
Okay, let's do
One.
one. Wait, Joseph.
What?
You forgot Joseph.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really want to do 1,000 backflips.
Okay,
One,
two, 1,000
three.
1,000 backflips later.
2, 3, 998, 999, 1,000.
Ooh.
Oh my god, that was a lot, man.
I have hiccups still. I don't have
yeah.
hiccups. Let's go.
Wait.
Forget.
Let me,
Hey guys, I don't have hiccups.
I took out my shoes.
I still have hiccups.
Well, okay.
Is there more book to how to do the hiccups?
Oh my god. What do we do?
Okay, should I use Joseph?
What do we do?
I don't know.
Oh no. We need to do, what does the book say now?
Okay, it says
2,000?
2,000.
No, 2,000 front flips.
Okay, 1, 2, 3,
three.
2,000 backflips later. 1,098,
1,099,
2,000.
2,000.
Wait. It's 1,999.
Oh my god.
2,000. Oh my god.
Oh my god, that was so many backflips.
Yeah.
Oh
Okay, who
my
has hiccups? I still have hiccups. I don't have hiccups.
Who's the
Joseph?
only one who has hiccups? Daddy or Joseph?
Jeffrey has hiccups. Jeffrey, you have hiccups?
No. Okay, let's check the book. What does it say?
It says 3,000 backflips. Oh my!
I'm not
God.
gonna do it. You do it, Joseph.
No,
I'll hold my-
I mean it says you need to
You need to hold your breath for 1,000 seconds.
1,000 seconds later. Wait, let's see if we have hiccups. I still have hiccups.
I don't have hiccups anymore. I'm gonna do a backflip.
Let's see the worst one.
You need to scare
oh
them.
you.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'll put on a costume to scare Joseph.
Oh,
Yeah.
I didn't go out there. Cody can scare. Oh, wait. Boo! Ah! Let's see. Wait, I do have hiccups.
Yeah, let's do the dance.
Dun 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 dun
Dun
dun
dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun.
Hot dog.
Dun, 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 dun,